Why settle for just plots when you can be part of an entire township in an emerging city with 10 beautiful themed gardens for your everyday mood and moment? And that's all about Green Valley Estate in Raipur. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the complete project overview of Green Valley Estate, a project developed by Godrej Properties. Well, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. What exactly Housey is? Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom read guarantee. अनलाइक करंट लिस्टिंग प्लेटफॉर्म जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, रिजल्टिंग इन टू मेनी फोन कॉल्स. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, listing brokers नहीं builders करते हैं. So यहाँ वहाँ जाना छोड़िए and book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, where Godrej Green Valley Estate is spread across 47 acres. It's not just a project but a full gated community township where they are coming up with 700 plus plots. Now about the location part, and our project is located near Old Dhamtari Road in Raipur, Chhattisgarh, where Nava Raipur is coming up just next to our project, which will be India's first AI-based data central park. Easy connectivity to Raipur-Durg Metro Corridor and Raipur-Vishakhapatnam Expressway. 500 meters from Durg Raipur-Arang Expressway, Let's Holiday Resort is 750 meters away. Tari Road, that is 2.5 kilometers. GD Goenka International School is 3 kilometers. Shri Dhani Care Multi-Specialist Hospital, that is 4.1 kilometers away. Government Engineering College of Raipur, that is 4.3 kilometers away from our project. And now about the amenities. So Godrej Properties offer you world-class luxurious amenities like of 20,000 square feet of grand clubhouse. You get 10 theme-based garden, swimming pool, community hall, multi-purpose court, kids zone and much more luxurious amenities. Now if you're looking to buy a home, then here's a strong recommendation from my end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer, as many home buyers are not aware of their rights. Like for example, if you're purchasing a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. Now about the plot size, so you get multiple dimensions in plots, where the plots are starting from 1200 square feet and goes up to 2499 square feet. Now about the booking process, and our project EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token by paying 50,000 onwards. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Green Valley Estate by Godrej Properties located in Raipur. If you're looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.